Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You power on the scanner and confirm the battery is charged, then open the library checkout app and sign in with your staff ID. Once the app is active, choose the checkout function so the system is ready to accept scans. Position the item's barcode under the scanner window at about 6-12 inches and hold steady. You'll see a confirmation sound or green light. Make sure autofocus is enabled in the app settings so the first scan usually succeeds without manual adjustments. You align the barcode horizontally to the scanner's light or camera and maintain a steady hand at roughly 6-12 inches away. Once done, wait for the success tone or a green indicator before removing the item. This prevents duplicate or missed scans. After each successful scan, make sure the on-screen record shows the correct title and due date so you catch mismatches immediately. If scanning multiple items, stack them nearby and scan one at a time to avoid cross-reading. You finish by selecting complete or print receipt so the patron has proof of checkout. Offer an emailed receipt if available. If a barcode fails, rescan once, then wipe the barcode gently, realign angle and try again. Often dirt or glare causes read errors. If problems persist, check the app's error log and the device ID, then escalate to IT with that information. Following these steps ensures a smooth checkout and a quick resolution when something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.